The question is, solve 9x square minus 9 into a plus b into x plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square equal to 0. Here the method is not specified, so I am going to use the quadratic formula. So for that what we need is, I am taking capital A because already small a, b are here. So capital A as 9, b minus 9 into a plus b, and c is 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. What we have to get first is b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 9 into a plus b whole square minus 4 into a into c, 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. When you simplify this, you will get it as 9a square plus 9b square minus 18ab. From here we can take out 9, so it is 9 into a square plus b square plus, minus minus 2ab, which you can write as 9 into a minus b whole square. So root of b square minus 4ac is equal to plus or minus 3 into a minus b. So what we need is x. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So what is minus b? Minus b is 9 into a plus b. 9 into a plus b plus or minus 3 into a minus b whole divided by 18. So you can write this as 9a plus 9b plus 3a minus 3b divided by 18. This is the first one. Second one is 9a plus 9b minus 3a plus 3b divided by 18. So when you simplify this, 9a plus 3a, 12a. 12a plus 6b divided by 18 is the first term. Second term is 6a plus 12b divided by 18. When you simplify this, you will get it as 2a plus b by 3 and a plus 2b by 3. Second question, find the positive values of k for which the equation x square plus kx plus 64 equal to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k equal to 0 both have real roots. So if they have real roots means clearly the discriminant is greater than or equal to 0, or we can say b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0 in both these cases. So case 1 is this, x square plus kx plus 64 equal to 0. What about b square minus 4ac? Discriminant d1 is equal to b square k square minus 4 into a into c, which you can write as k square minus 256. This is greater than or equal to 0. Second case, discriminant d2 is equal to minus 8 whole square minus 4 into 1 into k, which is equal to 64 minus 4k. This is also greater than or equal to 0 because discriminant is they have real roots. So first case, k square minus 256 greater than or equal to 0 means k square is greater than or equal to 256. So k is greater than or equal to 16. It is the root of 16. So second case is 64 is greater than or equal to 4k. So 16 is greater than or equal to k. That means k is greater than or equal to 16 or k is less than or equal to 16. That means k equal to 16. K equal to 16 is the value of the k in which gives both the equations as real roots. So next question, a 2-digit number is 4 times the sum and 3 times the product of its digits. Find the number. So we need a number. So I am supposing x as the digit at the tens place and y be the digit at units place. So the number is 10x plus y. What is given? Number is 4 times the sum and 3 times the product of its digit. So 4 times the sum means we can write 10x plus y is equal to 4 into x plus y. So from here what you are getting is 10x minus 4x is equal to 4y minus y. So 6x is equal to 3y. So this is the, or y we can write as 2x, equation 1. Then second case is the number is 3 times the product of the digits. So 10x plus y is equal to 3xy. So we can write 10x plus y is equal to, instead of y you can give 2x. We can give the value 2x here. 2x plus 3x into 2x. So 12x is equal to 6x square. So the equation is 6x square minus 12x equal to 0, or you can write 6x into x minus 2 equal to 0. Or from here we can write either x is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0, or we can write x is equal to 2. So when x is equal to 0, what about y? Y is also equal to 0. That is not possible because both the digits are 0, not possible. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. So what is the required number? Therefore the required number is equal to 10x plus y, that means 24. So the required number is equal to 24.